Hello, this is Dr. Sivakant Pathak, once more available in front of you to take one more topic, that is motion in mass spring system. It is one of the application of Newton's second law of motion. This topic is also named as motion in connected system. Let us see what is this, what are the mathematical calculation, how we'll obtain the formula, and how this formula will be used in various numericals. This concept is very useful in solving this complex numerical here in the mechanics. So be careful and see what is this, what are the fundamentals, what are the rules are involved in that, what are the concept involved in it, to obtain the final concept of motion in mass spring system. For this, let us consider two masses. Let us consider two masses M1 and M2. Connected with ends of a string. Two masses are connected from a single string at the end and passes through a frictionless pulley. Let here is frictionless pulley connected. A string is passes here over this frictionless pulley. Two masses are connected with it. These two masses, according to the informations M2 and M1 here connected with it. Let M1 is greater than M2 here in this case. See very carefully what are the forces act here in this case. Here is one common string. So here, see right here, common string. This implies that you can say single string. Single string means single tension. So single string is a single tension. First of all, see the weight acting on this. We are knowing weight M2G or here weight M1G always acts downward. Due to this weight, the tension produces in both parts. But this is a passes through a common this is a common string passes through a frictionless pulley. So in that condition, the tension produces in both is the same. So single tension, we can write same tension. See very carefully, common tension, single tension, same tension in this string. See, since M1 is greater than M2, so M1 is a heavier, so it will go down. Here see, it will move here according to anti-clockwise. This is movement in anti-clockwise. Due to this, if it's moved down, a force will act in this direction. Acceleration, see if it is moved, so it will go up. So acceleration, A will go in direction and it is downward direction in the case. So it will move down and it will go upward directions. Now, applying Newton's second laws of motion in this case. See carefully, very good. See here, first of all, in case of downward, and here in the left hand side, we will consider this side LHS and this side right hand side. So see in the left hand side where M1G acts, and the total system come downward, it means M1G is greater than the tension. See the equation here in case, and we can write in LHS M1G minus T, M1G is greater than T, provides M1A. Write as equation number 1. Now see in right hand side here in the diagram. So focus this diagram here. This is the right side. It move upward. So tension is greater than M2G. That is why a resultant force is acting here on that side. So we can see if T is greater, so T minus M2G. T minus M2G is equal to resultant force M2A. This is equation number 2. Now see what is equation we are going to obtain here in this case. By equation 1, we can write T is equal to M1A, M1Z minus M1A. Here in this case, we can write it as a equation number 3. Now equation 2 we can write here in this form. T is equal to M2A plus M2Z. Now here in this case, comparing equation 3 and 4. See, left hand side are the same. This implies that right hand side is same also. So we may write M1Z minus M1A is equal to M2A plus M2Z. Now M1Z transfer M2Z in this side minus M2Z is equal to, here M2A transfer this side M1A. Now take G as a common, becomes M1 minus M2G is equal to, we may write M2 plus M1A, or this implies that A is equal to M1 minus M2 by, we may write it is M1 by M1 plus M2 for a simplification here in this case. So acceleration obtained in a string is obtained by this equation number 5 very carefully. Now divide equation 1 by 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. Left hand side by left hand side, M1Z minus T by, see here, T minus m2g is equal to m1a by m2a. A is cancelled by a. This is equal to m1g minus t by t minus m2g is equal to m1 by m2. Now cross multiply. It becomes m1 m2g minus m2 t is equal to m1 t minus m1 m2 g. Now transfer this in left hand side. So it's become 2 m1. See first of all here m1 m2g plus transfer this side m1 m2g is equal to transfer here m1t minus plus m2t. So it becomes 2 m1 m2g. m1 m2g, m1 m2g. See here in this case we may write 2 m1 m2g and it is equal to m1 plus m2 t is common, or we can write t is equal to 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 in 2g. This is the second equation, second formula, which is represented by equation number 6. So here in mass string system, where two masses are connected by a common string and it is under motion due to the mass differences or acting weight differences, the acceleration common is given by this formula, tension is this formula. The important is only to see the directions of tension, weight and acceleration acting here in the case very carefully to understand and to form the equations. So see, this is for today. Thank you and a fruitful day for all my listeners.